Afternoon, sir. What can I help you with?
Sorry, I'm here to complain about the refrigerator that I bought yesterday.
What's the problem with the refrigerator, sir? May I know?
So the fan behind it doesn't turn on sis. No, I want my money back.
Sorry, sir, the money cannot be returned, but we can exchange the price for a better price. But there is an extra because the freight is out, sir.
How much do you think I sold it?
The price is cheap, sure, just 200,000.
Okay, I'll just take that one.
Okay, sure, this afternoon we will deliver it to your house. Sorry in advance for the inconvenience.
Okay, thank you.